This is a pre-calculus announcement for April the 29th and 30th, which are going to be asynchronous day. Remember the 29th, we are taking the English EOC exam. So the class will be shut, the entire school will be shut down. Only those that have English as their subject will be testing. English 2. And then the 30th, I'm going to be out. So those 2 days will be asynchronous day. Remember that you need to check into It's Learning at the start of the period. And then remember the items that need to be completed before the end of the week is the formative, any formative. Lesson section 5.3, solving trig equations, homework, section 5.3, trig equations. And then we have the last lesson, which is vectors. So make sure that you complete that. So April 29th and 30th, the agenda goes as follows. The objective is I can use trig identities to solve equations. Remember that progress report grades are due this Friday. Remember that here you have the formative. It was broken down into 3 jam boards that you have to complete. Problem 1. Remember, you had to show your work for problem 1, simplify. Problem 2. Once again, you had to simplify this expression. And then problem 3. You had to simplify this expression, and the problem was given to you right here. These were the guided problems. And I think I put the grade already in the grade book, but you want to double check. So these were the 3 problems. Okay, the next one was the actual test, the major grade. The other one was a minor grade. This is a major grade. And I did give you a form that you needed to complete. And this is the form. Remember that you had to do number 1. And I just asked you to simplify. Number 2, I've asked you to simplify. And then number 3, simplify. So they're all simplifying equations. So make sure you do that. I did give you a lesson on solving trig equations, so you make sure you watch that lesson and you submit it. We've already did the lesson. And then the homework, what I did last time in class A, in period A, 3A, I did 1, 2. I didn't get to finish, so make sure you watch the video. I hope to finish this today in classroom B, in period B. And remember to watch the video and then to submit. And then, of course, I don't have it here, but the next item that you will have to do is vectors. So make sure you do the lesson on vectors, okay? We're going to have a lesson on vectors. I'm going to review the plan for the next 2 weeks from May 3rd to May 14th. Remember, there are 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for A and B. The week of the 17th is your the testing week. And then, of course, we have graduation the following week. This is the plan for everybody, my class by period 3A and 4B. It will be asynchronous. Now, it depends if they're going to use this. If they're not going to use this for testing, then I will be on Zoom and I will send you an email. You need to complete and submit the daily review. Remember, there are 5 review days with assignments that must be submitted. So I'm still taking grades on those 5 assignment grades. So make sure you complete that, and then whatever we go over is what's going to be tested, which is everything that was given to you, what was taught second semester. If you have any questions, please contact me, email me, or text me. Seniors, I did give you your final averages, current final averages. So you more likely have to increase your fourth quarter average, and that's based if you get a 70 on the exam. If you guys have any questions, please contact me. So remember that the next 2 days will be asynchronous, which is Thursday and Friday.